Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Kuyskiko. Kung nakikita nyo akong tumitingin dito sa baba, andito yung viewfinder ko, yung monitor ko. So anyway, today is not gonna be makeup related na naman dahil mag-unbox tayo. Short story lang. I have an old Apple Watch right here. Ito siya. This just turned 4 years old. Ngayong 2020. Okay, so nasira siya because of the lockdown. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero hindi ko kasi siya ginamit for 3 months straight. So nung gagamitin ko na siya ulit, nakita ko na lang na nakabuka na siya and medyo lumobo na yung battery niya. So hindi ko na alam kung magagawa pa to. I'm gonna have it checked sa service centers nila kung pwede pa tong gawa ng paraan. Obviously, it's out of warranty, pero syempre sa mga service centers naman, pwede mo pa rin ilapit sa kanila as long as it's an Apple product, of course, and may payment na. So, hindi na siya covered ng warranty, kaya magbabayad ka na. Anyway, I have here the new Apple Watch Series 5. Ayan siya. I got this sa Beyond the Box. Tapos, ito yung resibo niya. So, yan. Meron siyang 7 days warranty, of course. And meron siyang 1-year warranty, syempre, from Apple. Pinili ko bumili sa Beyond the Box dahil doon na lang sila merong available na black version or yung space gray. Kasi sa ibang mga Apple stores like Power Mac na malapit dito sa amin, sa San Lazaro, Silicon Valley, Electoral, wala na lahat ng Series 5 na black. Meron gold and silver and hindi ko masyadong type. As you can see, yung aking old na Apple Watch, it's in space gray as well or yung black version nila. Ayan yung serial number and ayan siya. So yan, we're gonna be unboxing this right now. Kung bakit I wanted something new is because I find my Apple Watch really helpful para sa akin. Lalo na pag mga pormahan kasi I can easily change the strap and it matches your outfit agad-agad. So buksan lang natin to. Tingnan natin yung seal. Ayan. So, meron siyang flap dito sa likod. I-lift mo lang siya. And, ayan na siya. So, we have here the black one. As you can see, ang dami kong strap bands. So, mas babagay ito dun sa black ko kesa ibang kulay. So, yun. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung black. So, ito siya. Okay, buksan natin siya. Ayan. And ito yung strap. So, ko ilalagay. I'm not a tech reviewer, by the way. We've got the papers. So, ayan. Kind of a simplified instruction. Nike watch nakalagay. And we've got the power adapter, the cable charger, and the Apple Watch itself. Meron akong swatch dito ng lipstick kasi galing kami ng mall. Pero yon. So here it is. So ayan yung malaking difference sa kanya. This one has the new one has a more rounded edges and thicker na rin siya. Kita nyo naman yung pinagdaanan ng unang Apple Watch ko without any protection. So ito yung bago. So let's turn it on. Here's the logo, and let's see the bands. Okay, yung bands naman, since Nike version siya, teka, sealed. So, open dito na lang ba or dito? Ayun, may flap. Low battery. To continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So, connect muna natin. So, yan. Kita nyo naman nag-charge na siya. So, let's proceed with the bands muna. There's the flap. May paperworks ulit. I always keep the boxes and everything dahil pag magsaswap na ako ng mga unit, lagi ko din pinoprovide yung mga units na yan for the second owner if in case mag-upgrade ako ng bagong gadget. So, parang yung ano lang din, parang yung regular Apple Watches lang din na nasa store, not the Nike version. We have two straps. Actually, 3 straps. Yung mas mahaba, yung isa mas maliit. So, I always use the longer version. Saka maganda, yung mga existing straps ko na to, pwede pa rin siya sa 44mm na Apple Watch. So, ayos. Always put it right here at the top. It snugs perfectly. Okay. So, eto, pag medyo smaller yung wrist mo, and try ko siya nitong mga ganitong bands ko. So, titanium siya sa gilid, tapos medyo kumapal lang siya, and medyo rounded na siya. Mas malaki na rin yung screen. Let's try to pair it with my phone. Ayan, nilapit ko lang siya, pero nag-set up na siya agad. So, continue lang natin. And the way to do it is just ayan, update now. So, update natin siya. So, it's gonna take a lot longer to set up. So, we have here 3 of the regular bands. Tapos itong mga Velcro type. Tapos, meron din tayo ng sports band. And, bumili ako ng leather. Please continue to set up sa phone. 1 hour bago mag-connect. Babalikan ko na lang kayo when this one is done. After 1 hour, tapos na tayo. Ngayon, try natin siyang i-set up. Set up as new Apple Watch. And I put my watch sa left. Still activating. Ayan, okay na siya. Shared settings, okay. Don't add passcode muna. Skip this step. Ayan yung sinasabi ko. Kasi ito, usually this one is paid. Pero dahil nga Nike Apple Watch na siya, or yung Nike version siya, pwede mo na siya i-download. Download later. So Apple Watch is syncing. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done. So you can use your iPhone as you would normally use. Pag naikot nyo na yung buong yun, probably that's the time we're done downloading. So nakalagay dito, your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Press. Yun! So dito naman, welcome to Apple Watch ang nakalagay. So ito yung previous kong watch. Ito nga itong sira. And press natin yung done. You can see here a lot of watch faces. Punta tayo sa face gallery. So makikita mo dito may mga unique faces lang siya for the Nike series. Wearing red right now. So let's pick a red color. Pink lang yung nandito, no? So yan. Add natin sa face gallery. Or if you want anything na mas malaki pa, such as this one, pwede rin. Medyo gusto ko rin yata to. So, add lang natin. And, yun. Yun na mismo yung nakalagay. So, ang cool feature lang nung Series 5 is that meron siyang dito, always on display. So, let's try to wear it. Ayan. So, kita nyo yung oras. That's 9:05 dito. Ayan. So, yun lang. Medyo marami pang setup na kailangan ng pag-aralan kasi may mga features na hindi siya available dito sa Series 2. So pag-aralan muna and I'll end this vlog muna right here kasi unboxing lang dapat siya. Hindi nakasama yung setup pero sinetup ko na rin for you. So, you can see kung ano yung tsura niya with it on my list and kung paano talaga siya i-set up with your phone. So yun, this can be beneficial when answering your phone calls, when adjusting the volume of your AirPods, when checking your notifications. Makita mo na rin dito yung Facebook, Instagram, Viber, yung mga ganon. As well as yung health status mo, heartbeat, yung calorie na nababurn mo, yung time ng workout mo. So you can set it up right here. And okay siya in completing your whole Apple experience. So it's better if you're gonna use your Apple devices with it kasi masisync niya lahat ng information. I usually do that right away when I'm setting up my Apple devices dahil kahit saan ako magpunta, whether sa MacBook, sa Apple desktop, or sa iPad, sa phone, ano siya, nasisync na lahat ng files and you can access it through your mobile devices Ang gusto ko lang sa Apple kasi it has this cool ecosystem that makes it work simultaneously with all your devices. So yun lang. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung unboxing video na to. Bonus na lang yung setup. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so I can continue making these kind of videos. My social media accounts will be linked down below and here in the screen. If you have any other requests, feel free to DM me or comment it down. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon and God bless. Bye!